our areas, the soil has got some challenges, especially in terms of soil fertility. The fertility level is very low, and this is contributed by some factors like low pH, and also the soil has got low organic matter. Also, the soil has got low cation exchange capacity. So, to overcome these challenges, we are emphasizing our farmers to make sure they are following those recommended agronomic practices, starting from planting. Immediately after establishing a planting hole, we are emphasizing our farmers to make sure they mix well the soil with enough manure. As we know, manure, it helps in holding water, so it will reduce moisture stress. And also manure help to moderate soil temperature. Apart from manure, also for our farmers, they can use the micronized lime, like this one. This is a sachet of 100 grams. The importance of micronized lime is to raise the soil pH so that a plant can be able to uptake the nutrients from the soil. Because once the soil pH is very low, even the uptake of nutrients by plant is limited. So by applying micronized lime, it will raise the soil pH, and hence the plant will be able to uptake nutrients from the soil. And this micronized lime, in 1 square meter you can apply 1 gram. So for the case of cashew trees, you need 4 grams in 4 square meter. So for a sachet of 100 grams, you can apply to 25 cashew trees. And in 1 hectare, you need 10 kg of this micronized lime. Also, we are encouraging our farmers to make sure they are doing watering, because during dry season, most of the cashew trees, they succumb to a moisture stress. So to avoid that, we should do watering at least twice a week, and not less than 20 liters. And the farmers also, they should make sure they put enough mulch to avoid the moisture loss from the soil. The growth of these cashew trees is limited by environmental stress. So we have another product which is Grow. Grow help to alleviate those environmental stress, because we know environmental stress also causes depressed growth of the cashew trees. So by applying this Grow, you are able to alleviate those stress. And this one, you mix 25 ml in 3 liters of water. For a cashew tree like this one, we are not supposed to leave these flowers, because a canopy is not justifiable to start bearing fruits and nuts. So we need to remove this on time, so as to make sure all the food from the soil is going to enhance vegetative growth rather than flowering. But once the canopy is justifiable for bearing fruits and nuts, you should leave these flowers.